Hello, good math people of the world. Let's get started on what I call an input-output question. A pediatrician uses the model above to estimate the height h of a boy in inches in terms of the boy's age, a, in years, between the ages of 2 and 5. Based on the model, what is the estimated increase in inches of the boy's height each year? So if we look at this equation, we should notice that this is a classic y equals mx plus b linear equation. And we should notice that the a is in the x position and the h is in the y position. So what I like to do to understand these equations is to make a little input-output system where we have a and we have h. Sometimes we have x and sometimes we have y. And what I like to do is the zero test. Doing the zero test will help you really understand how this equation works. And what I mean by that is plug 0 in for your variable. So if a was 0, which means if the boy's age, a, was 0, how tall would the boy be? Well, 3 times 0 is 0 plus 28.6. 0 plus 28.6 is 28.6. So that means when the boy was born, he was about 28.6 inches tall. Now remember, we're trying to figure out the estimated increase in height each year. So what should we do next? We should add a year to the boy's age. Let's make him 1 year old. So I'm going to put a 1 now in for my a, and I'm going to do the equation down here. H equals 3 times 1 for a plus 28.6. Doing the math, that's 3 plus 28.6, which is going to equal 31.6. And we can already see how much the boy's height increased from here to here. Well, it was 3 inches, right? Plus 3 inches. So we realize the answer is A, and that this 3 represents the increase in height each year.